Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca and this is my introduction video. I'm a special education teacher at an elementary school on the Eastern Shore of Maryland. I currently teach second grade and I am finishing my 6th year. I love my school, but I am ready for summer. Before elementary school, I taught in a high school for 2 years. I'm a mom of 3 beautiful girls and 1 wild Weimaraner. My family can be found on the lacrosse field, on the boat, or on the beach. My favorite part of instructional technology in the classroom is its use as assistive technology. I have seen devices become communication aids. Students are able to use technology as alternative ways to gain and demonstrate their learning. Classroom technology is an accessibility tool that can also bridge the gap for students with learning disabilities within their classroom. I want to continue to grow my knowledge to be able to further aid my students in order to meet their individual needs, and also be able to support my staff as they personalize learning in their own classroom. My school currently has lots of technology resources. However, we lack the infrastructure in order for these technology devices to work consistently. When it's really windy or rainy, we will lose wireless. We also share one classroom cart for our second grade pod. So these are some things that we need to overcome as a school in order to really meet the needs of our students with instructional technology. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.